Hi there! Having trouble with your microphone not working on Messenger for Android? This can happen because of app permissions or some glitches. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it. So let's get started. No time to waste. Note, before diving in, try restarting your phone. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix minor issues. Solution 1. Enable microphone permissions. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Find and select Messenger. Tap Permissions. Make sure microphone permission is enabled. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache and data. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. Solution 3. Update Messenger. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if it's available. Relaunch the app and test your microphone. And that's it. Now you know how to fix microphone issues on Facebook Messenger for Android. If this helped, drop a comment below and let me know which step worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.